diagram on the right shows a right circular cylinder just fits inside a sphere of radius 12. The diagram shows the cylinder is 2x and 2x in width and its height is 2y. For that means I think its width is obviously x then, and its height would be y because you can half it to the middle, half of 2y, half of 2x. And then what you do is you just get 12 squared using Pythagoras' theorem is x squared plus y squared. And then you get 144 take away y squared equals x squared. Everybody all right with that? Okay, part 2. Write the volume of the cylinder in terms of y and hence find the volume of the largest right circular cylinder that fits inside the sphere of radius 12. Give your answer correct to nearest centimeters cubed. Okay, so it wants me to do it in terms of y. So, volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. Pi. Now, would you all agree the radius would be x squared? Would the radius be x, would it? The radius is x grid. So pi x squared, and the height is what? Who got the height is 2y? Now, what can I sub out x squared with? I can sub out x squared with 144 take away y squared. So it's pi times 144 minus y squared times 2y. I'm going to multiply this out slightly. And what I'm going to get is I'm going to combine the pi and the 2y together to get 2 pi y. Now I'm going to multiply that out. Now I'm going to multiply that out. 280 pi y minus 2 pi y cubed. Is that okay? Volume of cylinder in terms of y. Done. What does it want from me now? Largest. What's another way of saying largest? Max. You know, this is a differentiation question because I obviously gave it to you as differentiation revision. In a test, you'd be looking for largest to be the same as max. Now, it's a weird derivative we're using this time. We're going to use dv to what? It's not explained in x, it's explained in y. So it's going to be dv to y. So what happens when I differentiate this? What happens to the y? Disappears and we get 288 pi. Differentiate this part. We got 6 pi y squared. And at a maximum, what do we know? Slope is 0. Okay. I'm going to get 6 pi y squared equals 288 pi. Now what's 288 divided by 6? Anybody know? 48. So y squared equals 48. And what's the square root of 48? 4 what? 4 root 3. Okay. Is everybody happy with 4 root 3? Is that the answer though? No. Because it wants the volume. So that 4 root 3, which is in centimeters, what formula will I have to sub it back into? Which one? I'm going to sub it in here, because what does this formula give you? That gives you the volume using y. So I'll sub it in there. Okay, guys. So we're going to insert the 4 root 3 back into the original. Does everybody see that? 288 pi times 4 root 3 minus 2 pi times 4 root 3 cubed. Is that okay? Now, what happens if we throw all that into the calculator? What do we get? And we know. What? 4179 centimeters cubed.